Hello guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this wig. It's very simple to make, it's beginner friendly, like anyone can make this wig because it was very easy to make. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. This is the hair that I'm going to use. I bought it from Base Ladies at 620 shillings only. So you can get this hair from any supply beauty shop around you. You can get it online. It doesn't have you don't have to use the exact hair that I'm using. It has 3 bundles, but then I only just used 1 bundle. Like 1 bundle is enough for this tutorial. So this hair mimics my natural hair. I love the fact that it mimics my natural hair. And also the bundles are very long. Some things never change, never change. You break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. So I'm putting this band around the cap because I'm not going to see the weave on the entire cap. Redemption ever came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread with the angels. Fear to go. So the next step is just to seal the weave down, and I'm going to seal it in a circle. Disaster, a reckoning. You wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh.
You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face.
The next step is to wrap a band around the area that you hadn't sewn the weave, and no one is even going to notice that there's no hair around that part. So after I had wrapped this scarf, I realized like I could see this scarf, so I decided to stitch more hair. And remember, this is still the same bundle, like one bundle. I've not even like added another bundle.
I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. Swear I didn't mean to make them.
So I made this gray scarf. I wanted to stitch it on the cap so that I don't have to like wrap a different scarf every time, just to make it like permanent, like a complete wig. But then I want to do that on this video. I'll do it like later on, so you can just make your own scarf and stitch it on the cap. And just like that, guys, and you're done. You have your wig. So for the front part, you can just tuck in the scarf in the cap so that no one can see the cap. And then just go ahead and shape it. Cut the excess hair just to give it a shape.
Dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go.
So guys, this wig is good for those people who are just at home, like right now during this quarantine. You can just wear this at home, like when you're going to a shopping center, to a mall. Like, I love this wig. It's very simple to make. It's easy to make, like anyone can make it. It's beginner friendly, and also the fact that the hair is very cheap. So another thing I noticed with this wig, just make sure you have like cornrows, because you see I have braids inside and they're big. That's why you can see like there's a bump at the back. So just make sure you have neat and flat cornrows. Another thing I noticed, I didn't cover the entire cap. Like I could see the cap there because I was using my camera as my mirror. So just make sure you cover the entire cap as well so that no one can see the cap. But I love it. I love it because it's very simple to make. It's easy. Actually, it took me less than 20 minutes to make this wig. So you can use a different scarf as well, a different color if you want to. And then again, guys, I didn't realize I didn't cover the gray scarf. So just be careful, use a mirror and make sure you cover the cap, make sure you cover the extra scarf. that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.